Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic life processes. So, as the name itself suggests, these are all the processes which helps any living individual or living organism to sustain life on the earth. So, what is life processes? Life processes are all those processes which helps any individual, any living organism to sustain life on the earth. So is it clear what are life processes? Life processes are all those processes which helps any living organism to sustain life on the earth. That means these are all those processes which helps an individual to survive on the earth. Without these processes, life won't be possible on earth. So now let us discuss what are the different processes which are essential for any living organism to sustain life on the earth. So what we will discuss now, we'll discuss the different life processes which are required by any individual to sustain life on the earth. Now we know that food and air, these are the two basic essential requirement for any living organism to sustain life on the earth. Without this, life won't be possible. So let us discuss how food is taken inside the body of a living organism. It is taken by a process called as nutrition. So what will be the first topic which we will discuss in this chapter? The topic will be nutrition. Now, food we have taken. We know that this food which we have taken is a complex food, and this food cannot be utilized by the body because it is complex. So this food need to be simplified. And how it will be simplified? It will be simplified by a process called as digestion. Yes, by the process called digestion. So the next important topic which we'll discuss in this chapter will be digestion. Now, the food which we have taken need to be utilized to produce energy. And how we will produce this energy? By taking in oxygen. And how we will take in oxygen inside the body? By a process, another process called as, yes, what is that process? The process is respiration. So respiration is the process in which we take in oxygen and utilize that oxygen to break the food to produce energy. Now, we have got the food also, we have got the oxygen. Now this food and oxygen need to be supplied to each and every cell of the body, because each and every cell requires food and as well as oxygen. So how this will be done? It will be done by another process called as transportation. So the next topic which we will discuss in this chapter will be transportation. Now, we have taken food. Now, this food will be digested, and some of the undigested food will be left inside the body as a waste. This waste will be removed from the body. Then we are taking in oxygen. After breaking, the oxygen is utilized, CO2 is produced. This CO2 is again a waste which has to be removed from our body. And there are various other wastes like urea and uric acid which need to be removed from our body time to time. Because if this waste is not removed from our body, then what will happen? This waste will get accumulated inside the body, and we know that these waste are toxic element. They can create poison inside our body and even lead to the death of the individual. So how this waste will be removed from our body? The waste will be removed from our body by another process called as excretion. So my dear students, what are the different topics which we will discuss in this chapter. They are nutrition, digestion, respiration, transportation and excretion. And these are all important life processes. Without any of these processes, life won't be there on earth. So these are the important life processes which are essential for any living organism to sustain life on the earth. So let us start the first topic, that is nutrition. So before going to this topic, nutrition, let us discuss the term nutrient, because the word nutrition has been derived from the term nutrient. Is it clear? Now, what are nutrient? Nutrient are the substances which are present inside the food. What are they? They are substances, and where are they present? They are present inside the food. Now, why these nutrients are important? These nutrients are important because they provide us energy, they repair our damaged body parts, then they fight against the diseases, and they also helps in the growth of the body. So what are nutrients? These are substances. Where are they present? They are present inside the food. And why are they required? They are required to fight against the diseases, to repair the damaged part, for the growth, as well as the for providing energy. So now it is clear what are nutrients. Nutrients are the substances nutrients are the substances which are present inside which are present inside the food to provide energy, growth, to repair the damaged parts, and to fight against the diseases. So what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances which are present inside the food to provide energy, growth, to repair the damaged part, and to fight against the diseases. Now let us come to the topic nutrition. So what is nutrition? As I told you earlier, nutrition is a process of taking food inside the body. Now the question arises, simply taking the food inside the body will be called as nutrition? No, my dear student. Taking the food inside the body and utilizing that food for what? For energy, for growth, for the repair of the damaged part, and to fight against the diseases. This whole process will be called as nutrition. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is a process of what? Of taking food. And why? And utilizing that food. Utilizing the food for what? Food for energy, growth, repair of the damaged parts, and to fight against the diseases. So the next topic we will discuss in the next class. We'll continue this chapter in the next class, and we will discuss the next topic in the next class. So my dear students, have a lovely day, enjoy your day, study also, and take care. Protect yourself from coronavirus.